So after we create a new project, the next step that we are going to set the MAP units. There's two ways to set the MAP units: by typing shortcut UN, or you can go to manage, then you can find the project units here. Click on it and this window will appear. In discipline, you can see here the common. It means these units are common between HVAC, electrical, piping, energy, etc. So let's take as example the area. You can see here the units square feet. You can change this unit from here. Let's put it square meters. And the rounding 0 decimal places, if you change this number from 0 decimal places to, let's say, 1 decimal, the number here in right will change, 0.1. So let's put it 2 decimal places, 0.01. And the unit symbol, if you click on meter square, that means this symbol will appear in all the drawings. Then you click OK, and if you want, you can go to piping, let's say, flow. You can change the units from US gallons per minute to cubic meter per second, and also the same steps. Then you click OK, and the last thing you should click OK.